The Mirage is the very first ever magnet-assisted folding knife. It's a lot smoother than I can even describe. I'm gushing. It's obvious. This is a plunder. I love Brian's stuff. I think it's super unique. I love what it's doing to the knife community. It's making change happen. And it's just bringing about, you know, something super cool. I also love that his knives also have this massive digit factor.
Yeah, cool. Everything is so cool. Oh my gosh. And it's such a weird sensation because it doesn't operate like a regular knife.